Arts&Crafts. I'm Stella. In this week's video, I'll be showing you how to do Christmas ornaments. So follow me and we'll get started. So for this craft, you'll need Christmas balls, different colors of paint. I chose Christmas colors, and some paper to lay on your surface. So follow me and we'll get started. So once you're ready to start, get your paints planned out and shake them for about 1 minute. And then once that's done, carefully remove the tops of your bulbs. And then take your paints. And then what you do is you slightly turn it just enough to where you can pour it in. And then once you're done with that color, you rotate the ball. Then you get your next color. Down. And then you get your next color. And then you spin it. And then you put your next color in. And then you start spinning it to where it's all covered. You can see a little bit of silver in there, but you mostly see gold up there. You spin it until it's all the way covered. For now, mine's looking pretty good. I'm going to do a few more for this one. And then once it's fully covered, you're done. And then you put the cap back on it. And then the lid got put there. You can set it out to dry. And then if you want to do a few more, I'm going to use different colors this time. So I'm going to use green and red for this one. I'm going to shake them up for about 1 minute. Probably good by now. So like I said before, turn it to where you can pour it in just enough. And then once you're done with that color, you can spread it around if you think you didn't put enough. And then you can take the next color and then turn it again. Start spinning it again. And then once it's fully covered, it will be done, and then you just have to put the lid back on it. And then you set it out to dry, and then you'll be done. But I chose to do multiple, so I'm going to continue. This side looks pretty cool because it's like all them swirls together. And then once you think you've done it enough, you can put the cap back on it as before and set it out to dry just like your other ones. This time I'm gonna do some blue, some white. I'm going to shake them up for a few seconds or two. And then I'm gonna start with white. Actually, I'm going to start with blue. And then I'm going to turn it. Put some seasoning into it. Close up that paint, set it off to the side for now. I'm going to open up my white. I'm going to spin it around. And then I'm going to start putting the paint in. This paint's kind of out. I made it work a little bit. Still has a lot in it, but won't come out. It won't go any more than that. So I think I'm done with this one so far. Now I just have to spin it around. Get it on the sides of it. Once I get that all done, I'll be done with this one. Pretty sure I'm done with it. So I'm gonna put the cap back on it. Good thing it doesn't. Of course it did. And I'm gonna set it off to dry. And then this is our last one. So for this one, I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna do blue and silver this time. So I'm going to start with silver. And then you're going to take the next color, squeeze it into the ball. I'm putting it right side up for a minute, or for not a minute, but a second just to get the paint in there. So that's a little bit easier. And then you can, another way you can do it is you could put your thumb on top of the hole and then just shake it up a little. But if you put paint down, if not paint, but paper down, if you get it on your thumb, you can just wipe it on your paper, so you don't have to wipe it on your clothing. But if you have like a big t-shirt on or something, that'd be fine to get on it, especially if it's old. You could still wipe it on that. But I decided to just use my paper friend. And then you're gonna do what I've been saying for the past few minutes. Put it back on, put the lid back on, and set it out to dry, and then you're done. Thank you for watching this week's video. If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe, and happy holidays. See you next week.